Welcome to 317 5th Street. This is a really unique property. What's really neat about this is the person who designed it is actually an art professor who still currently works at University of Southern Indiana. So he has a keen eye for architectural interest and design. This is a contemporary loft-style living space, so everything is open concept. You can see the kitchen is nicely updated with stainless steel appliances. And so everything is open from the main level as well as the second level too. There's just loads of natural light that comes into this place. Because it is so open, the design options are actually endless. I've got some digitally staged photos that will present options that you may arrange your furniture or gaming area or a sitting area there in the corner. Pictures of the second level here, and you can see the spiral staircase, which is nicely situated at the entranceway. There's also a more practical staircase, which allows you to move furniture up and down very easily. On the top of the landing of that staircase, the previous owner used that as an office space. So this is from the office space looking towards the open concept bedroom. In the bedroom, your furniture can be arranged multiple different ways. You can put the bed on either one of the walls, and these digitally staged photos present different options on how you can do that. From the second level, the second bedroom is located on the right, and here's a picture of it. Again, there's just natural light just floods in just everywhere, which is really nice. There are two bathrooms. This is the main level bathroom, which is a walk-in shower with a non-skid concrete floor. There's also a utility room located on the main level, which provides ample storage space. And then there's a second bathroom located on the second level. Make yourself home at this awesome location, downtown Henderson at 317